Interview questions and answers, sponsored by VSK Business Consultant. Visit our website for more detailed information www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. For job related industry or employer related updates, job seekers can subscribe to YouTube channels, follow WhatsApp channels, and connect on Facebook and Instagram for additional resources and information. Disclaimer: the following interview questions and answers are provided for knowledge purposes only and do not guarantee employment. Please share this valuable information with your friends, office colleagues, and new job seekers. Employer: tell me about yourself and walk me through your resume. Job seeker: certainly, I've been working in relevant field for number years, and I have a strong background in relevant skills. My resume highlights my experience in key accomplishments, and I'm eager to bring those skills to your company. Employer: why are you interested in this specific role in our company? Job seeker: I've been following your company's work in industry for some time, and I'm impressed by specific aspect, e.g., innovation, company culture. This role aligns perfectly with my skills and career goals, and I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute. Employer: what are your key strengths and weaknesses? Job seeker: my strengths include strengths, e.g., strong communication, problem solving, attention to detail. As for weaknesses, I sometimes tend to be overly critical of my own work, but I'm actively working on finding a better balance. Employer: describe a time you faced a challenging situation at work and how you overcame it. Job seeker: in a previous project, we encountered challenge. To address this, actions taken, e.g., collaborated with the team, researched solutions, implemented a new strategy. Ultimately, we successfully overcame the challenge and achieved our goals. Employer: where do you see yourself in 5 years? Job seeker: in 5 years, I see myself as a valuable contributor to your company, taking on more responsibilities and potentially moving into a leadership role. I'm committed to continuous learning and professional growth. Employer: what are your salary expectations? Job seeker: I've done some research on the salary range for this position, and I'm looking for a competitive salary that reflects my experience and skills. I'm open to discussing this further. Employer: why did you leave your previous job? Job seeker: I was looking for new challenges and opportunities for growth. I'm excited about the potential to contribute to your company and take my career to the next level. Employer: how do you handle stress and pressure? Job seeker: I prioritize tasks, break them down into manageable steps, and maintain a positive attitude. I also find that taking short breaks and staying organized helps me manage stress effectively. Employer: describe a time you worked as part of a team and what your role was. Job seeker: in a recent project, I was part of a team responsible for project. My role was specific role, e.g., coordinating communication, managing deadlines, providing technical support. We worked collaboratively and achieved our project goals. Employer: what skills do you possess that make you a good fit for this position? Job seeker: I have strong skills in relevant skills, e.g., communication, problem solving, project management. My experience in previous experience has prepared me well for the responsibilities of this role. Employer: tell me about a time you had to learn a new skill quickly. Job seeker: in my previous role, we implemented a new software process. I quickly learned the necessary skills through online tutorials and by collaborating with experienced colleagues. Within a short time, I was proficient in using the new system. Employer: how do you stay up to date with industry trends and developments? Job seeker: I regularly read industry publications, attend webinars and conferences, and participate in online forums. I'm committed to continuous learning and staying informed about the latest trends. Employer: what is your experience with specific skill or software relevant to the role? Job seeker: I have number years of experience using specific skill software. In my previous role, I used it to specific tasks, projects, and I'm confident in my ability to apply it effectively in this position. Employer: describe a time you had to give or receive constructive feedback. Job seeker: I once had to provide feedback to a colleague on their presentation skills. I focused on specific areas for improvement and offered constructive suggestions. I also appreciate receiving feedback and use it to improve my own performance. Employer: what are your expectations for a manager or supervisor? Job seeker: I value a manager who is supportive, communicative, and provides clear guidance. I appreciate a manager who fosters a positive and collaborative work environment. Employer: how do you prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively? Job seeker: I prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. I use tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay organized, and I'm skilled at managing my time effectively to meet deadlines. Employer: what are your biggest accomplishments in your career so far? Job seeker: one of my biggest accomplishments was specific accomplishment. I'm also proud of another accomplishment, which demonstrated my ability to skills used. Employer: tell me about a time you had to deal with a difficult client or customer. Job seeker: I once had to deal with a customer who was upset about issue. I listened carefully to their concerns, apologized for the inconvenience, and offered a solution that addressed their needs. I followed up to ensure they were satisfied. Employer: how do you handle conflict in the workplace? Job seeker: I believe in addressing conflict directly and respectfully. I focus on finding common ground and working towards a mutually agreeable solution. I also believe in maintaining open communication to prevent conflicts from escalating. Employer: what motivates you in your work? Job seeker: I'm motivated by the opportunity to learn and grow, to contribute to a team's success, and to make a positive impact. I also find satisfaction in solving problems and achieving goals. Employer: what questions do you have for me? Job seeker: could you tell me more about the team I would be working with? And what are the next steps in the hiring process? Employer: describe your ideal work environment. Job seeker: I thrive in a collaborative and supportive environment where I can learn from my colleagues and contribute to a team's success. I value open communication and a positive work culture. Employer: if you were to start your career over, what would you do differently? Job seeker: looking back, I would focus on networking earlier in my career. Building strong professional relationships is invaluable. I've learned that connecting with people in your industry can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights.